Third day, Norwegian gym. We're poolside. Everyone has, what's that thing called again?
What, Tinder?
Tendered over to the island, Norwegian's private island. We're enjoying the amenities of the ship. So I'll bring you guys along. Wait till you see this. Thank you. I found out it wasn't too late to tender to the island and explore the island. So, solo travel, solo dolo, tendering to Norwegian Gem's private island. I'm tendering today just to give first count experience what we're doing. We're the Great Stirrup Cay. I'm not sure what Bahama island we're on. Yesterday we were in Nassau, Bahamas for the day, where we docked and ported as normal. So now we're actually, I forgot the word again, gosh darn it. Tendering to the private island, Stirrup Cay in the Bahamas. And I'm doing it first person, so you'll get the experience. I had no desire to do this. I was going to enjoy my spa package for the day, but I'm deciding to enjoy that later in the day. The last tender is at 4 p.m. and we leave or depart from this port at 5 p.m. So I'll sure to be back before 4. I'm just going to explore. And I didn't want to go this morning when there were long lines and the masses were out and there would be long lines. So I'm just going to have a look-see and look around, and I would have regretted it every day if I did not tender to this island to see what it entails. It looked boring from the ship, but I'll explore more and see if it is something to do. I'm not sure where they're tendering from. It also says the Great Stirrup Cay. I don't know if that's a guided tour or if they are reporting back from their adventure for today to onboard back into the Norwegian gem. But our tender is departing. I'm just going to take you guys along for the ride. Okay, see you guys down below. Guys, this is pretty cool too. You gotta see it. He's calling me downstairs to disembark, so give me a moment. You might not be able to see it unfold completely, but here's good looking out. Pretty darn cool. If I say so myself, it's pretty darn cool. I'm just gonna follow the welcome. We'll explore Stirrup Cay together.
The music's all sweet, everybody's standing, drinking up the sky, we got to ride it. Oh, it's me. And to the right, anywhere to the right, all yours.
Thank you. You have jet skis to your immediate right. Nice. Cabana Rentals, Spa, Villa, Shore Excursion. Looks like the kayak meetup. Entertainment. Definitely have a DJ. I see rescue vehicle, first aid. Lots of shade. And this is your beach day at Stirrup Cay. I think because I am so late, I will get to hop a squat just about anywhere. Okay, I veered to the left on the path where you have mats and float rentals. I'm not sure what's under that pavilion as yet. And then off this sandy path, you got paddleboard rentals. Oh, it says dining times, beach grill. And there appears to be a bar there. It says Jumbey Beach Grill, dining times 11:30 to 1400 hours. And at the furthest point you see the Great Stirrup Cay Tower. Okay, attached to the lighthouse is the Flight House gift shop at Great Stirrup Cay. We'll venture inside and see what they have in the Great Stirrup Cay gift shop. Hello. Oh, now they have it. Mine just broke. And this is what I was talking about, a lanyard. Mine just broke and her phone doesn't fit in hers. So these would be perfect. Great Stirrup Cay paraphernalia. Great merch. Coral. They have a zip line experience. That run dry, long sleeve. More coral. I think we have a theme here. Great Stirrup Cay, zip line. More merch. Yours truly. Your gracious host, me. Now this is a way to end the day. It's earlier, but if you have little miniature golfers, they do have, it looks like a 1-hole golf course. 2-hole golf course for a round of miniature golf. I said 2-hole, my bad. I see 3 holes. Yeah. Bye. No. No, you?
No.
Married, boyfriend?
No girlfriend, no boyfriend. Hey, you by yourself?
Yeah. What ship did you come on? The Norwegian?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Where you been? I ain't seen you.
On the ship, probably in my room.
Oh, you could have been in my room a long time ago.
Probably not. You came by yourself?
No, I came with my cousin.
Oh, cool.
It's her birthday. She just turned 60.
Oh, 60. So you were with a group of people?
Just 2.
Just 2?
Yeah, older women.
You enjoying your cruise so far? I think this is what, the last day?
Yeah, it is.
What's your name?
Michael.
Michael? Nice to meet you, Michael.
Text me. That was fun.
Awesome. I know my phone's probably on airplane mode. Unless
messenger?
I don't even know it. Back to the ship. Chart your course. I came, I saw, I conquered for you. Head that way. Thank you, sir. They gave me an ice cold wool wash rag, ice water. I am undone. I am undone. You're fine. I need another cup of water. So good. Sorry, you guys had to see that.